Coach Cabrera, proceed to tatami 3, Coach.
This is for the final bout. Quemada Tia Drive ao Mubay Erwin Lino. 16 is 17 years old, advanced and advanced.
Calling for the attention of 10 to 11 years old in the Virgin Cataverse.
Winner, Aka, Sundolian. Next bout, Sabote, Africa versus Baldo Filzet. Raise your hand. Sabote.
Hiramatsu, raise your hand, Hiramatsu.
Sabote.
Malay,
Raise your hand, Sabote. Baldo Filzet. Raise your hand, Baldo.
7 years old and below in the region Kata Boys. Aka, Iskanyo was given from DNPA. Out, Arsaga Augustus Lucas Enrico from AAP Pangasinan. Please prepare. 7 years old and below in the region Kata Boys.
Calling for the attention of 10 to 11 years old in the Virgin Cataverse. Marago Branyan, Janir Yumi Hongo, Talio Kas Zatra, AOK Victorious Po,
Players.
KTR,
Drive.
One, Leonard Estepani, Gonzales,
Mubay Arminio Fever.
Coaches, please fix the belt of your players. Minus points. Again, please fix the belts of your players.
To the awarding area.
Final call for 7
The judges will be deducting points.
Aka, Iskanyo was given from
Thank you.
DNPA. Out, Arsaga Augustus Lucas Enrico from AAP Pangasinan. Final call. Please prepare.
Please prepare Calumba versus Ricofuerto.
winner, Aka.
16
Malay.
17 years old.
Next bout, Sevilla and Rabaya. Sevilla, raise your hand, Sevilla.
16 is 17
Rabaya, raise your hand.
Kata Boys.
Rabaya,
Carl Simon.
Matthew Andre Rabaya.
Roberta Icon.
Start.
Juanca Terence. Baguio John Bernard.
Sevilla. Sevilla, di ba? Oh. Rabaya, Matthew Andre. Start na, start.
Again, please prepare Calumba Amara and Ricofuerto Azal.
Kabante de Andre. Raise your hand, Kabante.
Winner, Aka.
Lapinia.
Sabote, Africa.
Lapinia. Next.
Next, Calumba Amara.
Kabante. Yan na, live.
Raise your hand, Calumba Amara. Ricofuerto Azal. Okay, start. Please prepare Fernandez Heather, Papayola Mia.
Winner, Aka. Sevilla, Chadwick.
Last call, 16 is 17
Next bout, Lapinia and Kabante. Start.
Baguio John Bernard.
Coach.
Proceed to the final two. Next is Carl Simon.
Winner, Aka. Calumba Amara. Next bout, Fernandez Heather. Papayola Mia. Start.
Next bout, Malay. Raise your hand, Malay. Sevilla, raise your hand. Sevilla, out. Gigante. Next bout, Malay. Sevilla. Raise your hand, Sevilla. Start na.
From 13 years old, UB Bata Girls. First bout, Boyster Rizame Aka, Oymong Era Shea Ao. Please proceed to Tatami 1.
Sundo Lian, please prepare versus Fakudla Gwyneth. Sundo, please raise your hand. Okay. Fakudla. Okay.
First
Stand.
round, Oymong Era Shea Ao.
Next bout, Kabante Aka. Salvoro. Au.
Oymong Era Shea.
Kabante. Raise your hand, Kabante. Aka. Salvoro. Au. Salvoro. Change to blue. Salvoro.
Sabote Africa versus Robin Christie, please prepare. Sabote, please raise your hand. Sabote.
Winner, Aka.
Robin.
Malay. Malay, change to blue, Malay. Kabante, raise your hand. Aka. Salvoro. Au. Salvoro sa Pikas.
Next bout, Sabote and Robin.
Aka, Laping Yumin, Denise Ao. Please be ready.
Winner, Aka. Kabante. Next bout, Malay and Sevilla. Malay, Aka.
Kalumba, Patayola, please raise your hand. Okay.
Rabayan.
Please prepare 7 years old in the Lord of the Legion Bata Girls. Aka Rosales, Elena Mary from Pangasinan.
Winner, Ao, Casas, Nueve Israel.
And Ao Ayazar Andrea from ASK Cebu.
Next player, Natuli Crystal Janine Aka, Laping Yumin, Denise Ao.
Sundo Lian, please
Malay
raise
and
your hand.
Kabante, guys. Sorry. Okay na.
Sabote
Si Malay.
Africa.
Say, dati Malay.
Sabote. Okay.
Kabante.
Hetube Crystal Janine. Pinsa si Laping. Oh, Hetube Aka.
Second call,
Aka
seven.
si Hetube Crystal Janine. Laping Yumin Ao. Oh.
Next bout, Sundo Lian Aka versus Sabote Africa Au.
After this bout, Mata Janela for Aka, Selong Aizel Thea for Au.
Sundo Lian, Sabote, start.
Okay. Lucky. Okay.
Batayola, please change your belt to red.
Gonzales Luis from AKKR, raise your hand. Gonzales Luis. Mahilo Myri Christine from ASKS JKS Cebu, raise your hand. Wala pa? Na na. Next mo. Likod ka. Gonzales. Aka, Mahilo, change to blue. Change to blue, Mahilo.
For Olmo Era Shane, belt will be Aka, Casas, Nueve for Aka. Winner, Au, Lapin Yumi Denise. Change your belt to Aka. Next bout, Mata Janera Aka, Selong Aizel
Regalo, Redwin. Blue.
For the championship round, Batayola Mia
Mata
Aka
Janera, raise your hand.
versus
Selong Aizel.
Sabote Africa Au.
First round, Selong Aizel Thea.
Winner, Au. Last name ni Au. Kabante Malay. Kabante. Okay, next bout, Gonzales Luis from AKKR and Mahilo Myri Christine from ASKS. Au, si Gonzales Aka. Start. Next bout, Laniada. Raise your hand, Laniada. Live. Gamboa Jamira, AK. Live.
After this bout, please be ready. Olmo Era for Aka, Tadde Ellen Kim for Au.
Winners, please proceed to the awarding area.
Calling for the coaches of AOP Hongo, AOK Security Cebu, EFNEC,
Please prepare
AOP
a
SSNI,
Winner Au. Winner Aka, Mata Janera.
please
Next bout, Olmo Era, Shane Aka, Tadde Ellen Kim Au.
Please prepare 8 to 9 years old novice kata boys Pipito Joseph Clark Aka versus Vidalia Alon Ryu Au, Cabanes Caleb Aka, Katangisan John Israel Au, Fernandez Tyler Aka, Awa Calvin Au.
For